I am going to, take you through this virtual tour, and I will show you like what all do we have for you in the campus. And when you talk about, there are some concerned departments wherein you can always go and access to their, help, right? Because when we talk about when we are in the college, we have to have the work from the admin department. We may have some work from the if you talk about the exam cell. So this is what we should know, that what do we have, where it is, and who all are the people involved into it. So I may not be able to let you know the each name from the department, but yes, I will try my level best to let you know, so that you can get connect with that particular person when and whenever need be. Yes. See, from the entrance, now we have entered into the building, right? Now you can see there is a welcome written on your left hand side that talks about your reception. And just next to it, where the passage going on, that is towards your storeroom or the exam cell. The room wherein we can say that we have to collect the answer sheets, collect the question papers. So the entry for the student is prohibited in that particular area, especially during the exams, because as we know that exam is the most secretive way of conducting the papers, and we have to conceal the things from the students. So that is the reason students are not allowed to go in this particular area. This area is only meant for the staff and the faculties. And now you are able to see there are the just 10 steps ahead of it, you are able to see the staircases which goes towards your first floor, second floor, third floor, as in when and as and when above you go up, right? So you are able to go first floor, second floor, third floor, and fourth floor from this side and from the other side as well. So from this way, when you are going towards the first floor, you will be having student support cell just bang opposite to the stairs. So I will let you know that what that student support cell talks about. Before that, there is a passage on this side as well, which goes towards your director's office as well as to admin office. Admin office basically talks about like you have exams cell over there, then you have the admission cell over there. So therein, if you have anything related to admission or any query you have, you can go and contact the person over there. And if you talk about exam cell is also there, if we are conducting some papers, we are submitting your marks to them, and they are keeping all the records with them. And if you are able to see this particular this glass window, this is meant for the account section, right? Account section talks about like wherein you are paying your fee, right? It could be for the exam fee, it could be for your annual fee which you have to pay during your course. So when we look at it at the end of the day, but in admin always keep one thing in mind, that we do not have any cash transaction. We are only having the transaction through plastic money, or you can get it done through bank, which is just outside to our building, which is on the left hand side. ठीक है, entrance के left hand side पे अगर आप जाओगे तो you can have that Bharti Sehkari Bank for you, right? Now we are proceeding further. We are able to see this is a long passage to go towards towards the exit of the gate. ठीक है, यहाँ पे we have amphitheater. I'm going to show it up how it does it look like. Herein, if you get into, there is a place called amphitheater. The gate which you are able to see over there, that is meant for the faculty cabin as well as corporate resource center, where the placement head sits. ठीक है, because down the line 2 years you will definitely look for a job, और एक साल के बाद आपने समर इंटर्नशिप की जब बात करोगे तो you really need to have assistance from the placement head. So here is your CRC, right? This is the second gate for the auditorium. Here you can exit from there, you can here you can enter, and from there you can exit, but it depends whether we want to open up the second gate or not. That is the entirely the management decision. Apart from it, just before this end, there is a left going towards CMS, right? When we talk about this CMS, it simply says that college management system, on which basically our ERPs basically हमारा ERP है जिसमें हम बच्चों के मार्क्स, अटेंडेंस, एवरीथिंग इज being centralized. Anyone can access to it, not students but faculties can access to it. They have the right to look at anybody's information. If they really want to dig some information, they can do so by using that particular app or the dashboard. And towards the right side of this gate, you have one lab which is known as communication lab. So we have three labs. One is on the ground floor and two are on the first floor. जो ground floor की lab है उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं, communication lab. और जो हमारी first floor की lab है उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं, right? So now let's proceed further. See, as I showed you the way for the admin office, in admin office we have exam cell, as I told you, inward and outward documents. The documents which are coming in the organization or which are going out of the organization, it has to have some number. ठीक है, ताकि अगर हमें in future उनको refer करना पड़े, we should have some number with us to find out those documents. Inter office communication, if we talk about, that is meant for the faculty members. Record keeping, if we talk about, herein we have the files of the staff members, as well as we are keeping the data related to your test or the presentations we are taking. We are submitting it to the exam cell and they are keeping safe for the entire semester. Then the admissions team sit there. The Mr. Ankit is available in that particular team. He is heading that department. So herein you can contact him and you can talk to him regarding the admission procedure or whatever doubts you have. See, now we look at the student support cell. As I told you, like when you are going upstairs, you are able to see student support cell. When you talk about this student support cell, it provides or it extends the support to students to take care of their needs. Take care of their needs का मतलब क्या है? That if you're putting any request, if you are putting any concern, that has to be resolved. ठीक है? Request can be declined, but अगर आपको कोई concern है, तो उसको resolve करना is must for an organization. ठीक है? So that is what this student support cell does. You are giving your concern in student support cell in a written form. अभी हम mail के through काम कर लेते हैं. But when we are there in the system, we have to give the application in return, and then you have to take the diary number from them, and within 48 hours to 72 hours you get the response. By any chance your query doesn't get resolved, ठीक है, आपने जो भी query raise करी या concern raise किया, अगर वो solve नहीं हो रहा है 48 hours to 72 hours में, you can always ask again or you can follow up with the student support cell to let you know that what is the status of this diary number. ठीक है, तो आप diary number बताओगे, then only they will be able to help you out, because they are managing 2500 students along with faculty members, because whatever faculty is getting updated or uploaded on ERP or sending to students, that is also done through student support cell, because that is in the interest of the students only. देन इफ आई से कि हमें एनओसी जनरेशन करना है, एनओएस जनरेशन करना है, और हमारे एग्जाम फीस है, मार्कशीट कलेक्शन है, दैट आल्सो इज बीइंग डन फ्रॉम योर स्टूडेंट सपोर्ट सेल. तो आपके लिए जो इम्पोर्टेंट जो एक सेल है, दैट इज नोन एज स्टूडेंट सपोर्ट सेल. अगर आपका अटेंडेंस का भी कोई इशू है ना, आप डायरेक्टली सीएमएस में नहीं आओगे. सीएमएस में चंचल मैम होते, यू वोंट कम ओवर है, you will have to write in SSC. आप वहाँ पे अपना concern लिखोगे and that concern will reach up to the concerned department. आपको सिर्फ उसका डायरी नंबर मेंटेन रखना है, ताकि अगर आपको कोई प्रॉब्लम हो जाए, you can check it out, right? This is the accounts office, where this is the director's office, like when we have guests from outside, or if you talk about you are also called to the director's office at times for some meetings and all, because we have student council in our college and we have fab on hours, तो आप लोगों को वहाँ बुलाया जाता है मीटिंग के लिए. ऐसा नहीं है that you will not be allowed to meet director sir, you will be allowed to meet director sir, but for that you really need to take some prior appointment. Or if it is possible, they may ask you to come and they say that you have been called by the director, then you have to report, because he is not disturbing you during your classes. If there is a meeting with the student council, the criteria is different for managing that particular attendance. That attendance gets approved from the director, sir, and in that case that attendance can be granted. बट आप ये बोलो मुझे डायरेक्टर सर ने बुलाया था, मुझे उसकी कॉम्पनसेशन मिले, नथिंग इज कम्युनिकेटेड, देन डोंट एक्सपेक्ट ऑल सच थिंग्स. See, in the beginning I showed you from the entrance कि हम थोड़ा सा आगे जाएंगे तो हमें open air amphitheater आएगा. So this is a place wherein students, this place was vacant before, but now it has got 4 dry pantry as well. Likewise, you are able to see the extreme corner is occupied. This one corner is also occupied this side, and here also 2 corners are occupied. You need not to go to the ground throughout the time कि हमें कुछ खाना है तो हम कैंटीन में ही जाएं और वहां तक हम चल के जाए और इतने में हमारा ब्रेक ओवर हो जाए. आपके जो शॉर्ट ब्रेक के टाइमिंग्स होते हैं 11 बजे वाले 10-15 मिनट्स का जो टाइम है, you can have something from here, so there won't be any issue for that. So that is the thing we can actually utilize it. And second thing, कुछ events जो होते हैं that requires some space to use on. अब क्या है कि हमें कोई ड्राइंग करनी है, पेंटिंग करनी है, कटिंग करनी है, तो हम वो ऑडिटोरियम में तो नहीं करेंगे. So then what we do, we make use of such spaces over there. नुक्कड़ नाटक करना, नुक्कड़ नाटक वालों को ऐसा सेटअप चाहिए होता है, so that we can do is that we can do here. So this is what we talk about open air amphitheater, wherein we can accommodate 100 to 150 people. Up just opposite to amphitheater we have this auditorium, and this is the new renovated one. ठीक है, अभी recently इसका renovation हुआ है, and it has got the music system over there. It has got green rooms. It has got technical room over there, like from where you can have the technical support. Then it has audio video as well कि आपको PPT run करना है. This auditorium is used for academic as well as for non-academic events, and it has the capacity to accommodate somewhere around 250 to 280 students. See, now these we have 3 labs in the college. The one lab I have already showed you the path on the ground floor. 2 labs we have on the first floor. हमारे पास इसी के साथ में एक मिनी लैब है जिसको हम पीएचडी के लिए यूज करते हैं. रीजन बीइंग उसमें हमारा बैच साइज इज वेरी स्मॉल, लाइक 6 to 12 स्टूडेंट्स होते हैं, स्कॉलर्स होते हैं, तो हमें बहुत बड़े रूम की वहाँ जरूरत नहीं होती है. एंड मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम दे हैव टू स्पेंड ऑन कंप्यूटर बिकॉज दे हैव टू गो फॉर द रिसर्च. ठीक है. So now when you talk about this lab which you are able to see in the image right now in this particular video, this lab is basically meant for MBA. Reason being, they have certain subjects like SPSS, so they will need to have software. So that is the reason this lab is meant for the MBA. And when we talk about the lab 103, that is meant for BCA, right? वहाँ पे इवन देन BCA की क्लास को भी हमने अकोमोडेट किया होता है जिनको मेजरली कंप्यूटर की जरूरत है, क्योंकि अगर उनकी प्रोग्रामिंग है, लैंग्वेजेस है, तो उनको कंप्यूटर चाहिए ही चाहिए. उनके प्रैक्टिकल सेशंस होते हैं, तो हमने उनके लिए क्लासरूम जो बना रखा है वो कंप्यूटर लैब को भी बना रखा है. And all the labs and the classrooms are equipped with such kind of podium. Reason being, we are trying to train you, groom you in such a way so that you can always be professional by giving your presentations. This is the classroom wherein we have the green board, white board, we have the speakers with us, LCD projector. We also have, once you scroll it down, you can have the LCD projectors. ठीक है, screen आ जाएगा आपका यहाँ पे. So this is how we talk about. We are going to balance out everything in the classroom so that you can enjoy your teaching. सिर्फ ये नहीं होगा कि हम आपको बोला, अगर प्रैक्टिकल सब्जेक्ट है तो हम बोर्ड पे करे जा रहे हैं and then you are doing it, और थ्योरी है तो हम बोले जा रहे हैं then you are listening to it. We are trying to have blend of all. हम सारी टेक्नोलॉजी को इंक्लूड करते हैं. ICT enabled technology we are making, ICT enabled teaching we are making it, and that is why we have everything in the classroom. We need not to change the classroom for that. See, this is the library, and library is also known as knowledge resource center. ठीक है, so when जब हम library की बात करें, this library is divided into four parts. The behind one, if you are able to see, this is basically meant for the journal and the magazines and the newspaper. If somebody wants to read magazine and journal, they can sit there and they can read it out. This place is meant for, like, you can do self study, you can make your presentations, you can actually, do some assignments, you can prepare for your exams, get the book issued, and you can just, study it here. And the library rules जब आपके होंगे, they will let you know. Generally for 7 days book is being issued to a student, but उसके आपको प्रॉपर रूल्स जो है लाइब्रेरी का, जब आपका सेशन होगा, दे विल लेट यू नो. एंड इन एवरी सेमेस्टर यू गेट बुक फ्रॉम द बुक बैंक, बट अभी पैंडेमिक के चक्कर में वी आर नॉट इन द प्रोसेस ऑफ दैट. वी आर प्रोवाइडिंग यू ई बुक्स और द नोट्स फॉर द फॉलोइंग सब्जेक्ट्स. तो अब यहाँ पे क्या है, यू कैन ऑलवेज मेक यूज ऑफ योर लैपटॉप्स. लैपटॉप्स आपको यूज करने के लिए कोई मना नहीं करेगा, बट अगर आप यहाँ बैठकर ये बोलोगे कि मैं मोबाइल पे किसी से बात करूंगा, नो बडी विल अलाउ यू, and disciplinary action may be taken. So be careful about it. Do not make use of the library as a fun place कि आपको यहाँ पर जाकर जो है gossiping करनी है किसी से फोन पे, and then you are passing out your time, क्योंकि library is again AC. Sometimes students feel कि यार क्या करें, लेट हो गया, इधर उधर खड़े होने से अच्छा लाइब्रेरी चले जाते हैं. अब आप लाइब्रेरी तो जा रहे हो, ये सोचकर मत जाना कि हम वहां पर जो है फोन पे बात करने जाएंगे या गेम खेलने जाएंगे. If it is seen, then disciplinary action may be taken. Then just wait. Show you. In library also we have one more section over there, that's the digital library, because when we are in the business management course or business related activity, we really need to have the information about the companies. ठीक है, तो हम जो है वहाँ पर क्या करते हैं, हमारे पास डिजिटल लाइब्रेरी है, wherein we can access to the data of the company, like Provesic सॉफ्टवेयर है जिसमें हम अलग अलग कंपनीज के डेटाबेस को स्कैन करके वी कैन हैव द इंफॉर्मेशन आउट ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर system. So that is how we talk about, we can have that particular section as well. It is not like that you have to go to some other library and then you have to fetch out the data for the company's detail or the company's performance. This is the green circle, which is known as one of the leisure parks. ठीक है, when you do not have any lecture, when you are free, you can always come over here. You can have gossips with your friends. You can have sunlight during the winter time. You can enjoy the time over here, but not at the cost of missing lectures. You have to be very clear about it. आप बोले यार लेजर करने जा रहे, क्यों जा रहे भाई, लेक्चर चल रहा है. दैट सो यू हैव टू बी वेरी केयरफुल. लेक्चर चल रहा है, लेजर नहीं होगा. ठीक है, इट मे हैपन कि आपका लेक्चर 2 बजे ओवर हो गया, यू डोंट हैव एनी लेक्चर, यू कैन स्टे बैक हियर टिल 6-6:30. लेकिन आप ये बोलो मेरा तो लेक्चर चल रहा है, मैं फिर भी यहाँ जाऊंगा, तो दैट डज नॉट permit you to do so, because if you are missing out your lecture, you are losing your attendance, and if you are not able to maintain 75%, you will be losing your marks. So now you are able to see two buildings over there, right, towards the exit of this particular green circle. Now the question arises, you are not, the boys are not allowed to enter between these two buildings area to go to the ground. Reason being, this is the girls' hostel. And because of the safety and the security measures, the boys are not allowed to pass by from this particular passage. You have to go from the backside, right? And there is a doctor's clinic in the campus, and then you cannot make use of that passage, right? This is the canteen area now. In canteen area, like this is the canteen which is also serve the purpose of the mess for the hostelite. जो लोग हॉस्टल में जो गर्ल्स हैं, बॉयज़ का हमारा हॉस्टल नहीं है, गर्ल्स हमारा हॉस्टल है. बॉयज़ के लिए यू कैन गेट द रेफरेंस फ्रॉम द एडमिन और फ्रॉम द कॉलेज फॉर द पीजीज विद इन द विसिनिटी. ठीक है, तो यू कैन ऑप्ट इट आउट. So now what we are going to do is like we can have this with us, the canteen. So in this canteen, this is again the newly renovated canteen we have, and we have the options to have food. South Indian we have the different corner counter for it, that those who are serving South Indian, or if you talk about North Indian food, we also have Chinese or the Italian over here. So you have the options to it. You need not to like go outside the campus कि आप ये बोलो मुझे कैंपस से बाहर जाकर के खाना है. You need not to do that, right? Then also we have Nescafe, Timbuktu, Hearst Cafe. Hearst Cafe, if you talk about, this is one of the alumni of our BVP only. He opened up his cafe over here, and he is actually serving the healthy foods, right? Whatever he is serving you, that is going to be a very healthy one. Even he is not serving the sugar in the tea, right? So that he's making use of jaggery over there. So you just see to it very small things. He's not making use of mayonnaise in the food. He's making with the help of the curd, and then he's serving to you. So वो basic चीज़ों को देख करके अगर आप देखो तो we are considerate about your health as well. So we have the option for it. Also, if somebody would like to go for the dairy products, then we do have Amul over here, from where you can have the ice cream, you can have the flavored milks, or if you talk about buttermilk, you can have the opportunity for that. You can always have the rolls over here. Then you can have this Nescafe, like coffee and all, if you want to go for it, or the sandwiches or the burgers. Or then this is the playground wherein we have volleyball court, pitch we have, basketball court we have the different one. This is the indoor room for the table tennis, carom or the chess. This is the gym we have, which is open for all the students. At any point of time you can access to it, but again there is a time to it. ठीक है, कि ये नहीं आप ये बोलो कि हम अभी 7 बजे के बाद यहाँ जिम करेंगे. ठीक है, 7 बजे के बाद no student is allowed to stay back in the campus. This is the college policy or the norm. मैनेजमेंट का ये नॉर्म है कि 7 बजे के बाद एक्सेप्ट हॉस्टलाइट नोबडी इज गोइंग टू स्टे इन द कैंपस अनलेस दे हैव द परमिशन फ्रॉम द मैनेजमेंट. ठीक है, तो गार्ड्स विल स्टार्ट whistling their whistles at 6:30 onwards, that you have to start leaving the campus now. So apart from it, if somebody is interested in doing music and dance, then we have music room as well, wherein we have the instruments. You can play with that, but again take those instruments in such a way that is yours one, so you are not going to spoil them. So you have to be very careful in that case. You are not going to spoil the property in the campus. And along with it, always keep one thing in mind: whatever we are procuring for you, at the end of the day it is our hard earned money. ठीक है, हमें कोई और चैरिटी नहीं करने के लिए आ रहे हैं, हम अपनी हार्ड एंड मनी से ही वी आर क्रिएटिंग फॉर यू. ठीक है, सो दैट इज द रीजन वी टॉक अबाउट ऑलवेज थिंक ट्वाइस बिफोर स्पॉइलिंग एनीथिंग. एंड नाउ द क्वेश्चन अराइजेज ओवर है दैट सम पीपल विल हैव कि क्या हमारे यहाँ पे काउंसिल क्लब्स वगैरह है. वी डू हैव इट, बट अगेन वो डिपेंड करता है कि आपका एरिया ऑफ इंटरेस्ट क्या है. whether you want to go for your dramatics, डांस, सिंगिंग, किस में आपको जाना है. कुछ लोगों को क्रिएटिविटी में होता है, बट येस फॉर आईटी के लिए अगर हम बोले, अभी तक किसी ने हमें अप्रोच नहीं किया है टू हैव समथिंग विद अस. आज ही सुबह मुझे आईटी मतलब बीसीए के एक बच्चे ने बोला था, डू वी हैव हैकाथॉन समथिंग लाइक दैट इन आवर कैंपस. I simply said no, but we are open to have it. You just have to chalk out the plan and the feasibility of that plan. We do have ED Mentix, that is the ED cell. The people, those who want to be an entrepreneur, or those who are already associated with the startups, they can be a part of it. We also have the creative society with the name of Kalakriti. देन इफ सम पीपल आर इंटरेस्टेड इन लिटरेचर, जिन लोगों को पोएम्स लाइक पोएट राइटिंग का शौक होता है या फिर आर्टिकल राइटिंग का शौक होता है, तो दे कैन बी अ पार्ट ऑफ दैट कसत विच इज द लिटरेरी सोसाइटी. We also have publications like annual magazine which is like Harmony. अब आईटी लोगों के बच्चे जो होते हैं उन लोगों का स्ट्रॉन्ग बेंट ऑफ माइंड होता है इन एडोब एंड फोटोशॉप. तो अब वहाँ पर क्या होता है, व्हाट दे गोना डू इज लाइक दे कैन डिजाइन द कवर पेज एंड ऑल. So you can always be associated with that when you get to know, and every notice comes on ERP. ये हम ऐसे नहीं करते कि हमने रैंडमली किन्हीं बच्चों को बुला लिया या हमने चूज कर लिया एंड वी आर आस्किंग देम टू गो फॉर इट. So you will get the opportunity provided you are actually interested to go for it. So that is the reason we talk about at the end of the day efforts to be taken from your side, then only we can go with it.